Hello everyone. Today in this video I am going to show you how to get free GLM 5.2 API key free and configure on VS Code. Open web browser, go to Google search, type featherless.ai, hit enter, click on sign up. You have seen multiple login options, but I am logged in as Google account. Now I am logged on as Google account. Featherless official website is open. Now you can see it's provide 3 days trial offer, trial active. It's expire 7th of July 2026. It's provide 100,000 output token include access to all models, full API access, go to models. You can see all models here. You can choose which one you use. In my case, I am using GLM 5.2. Now I am generating API key. Go to profile. Click API key. Click new API key. Set the key name. I am giving it name called GLM 5.2. Click create. New key generated. Click done. Go to models. Click on GLM 5.2 model. Click on use via API. Now key is showing which I earlier created. Now configure GLM 5.2 model in VS Code using Cline. Minimize web browser. Open VS Code. Click extensions. Go to search. Type Cline. Click on Cline. Click install. Click trust publisher and install. Now Cline is installed. Click mark done. Now set up work folder. Go to Explorer. Click open folder. Select documents. Click new folder. I'm giving it name called Cline. Click select folder. Click on Cline. How will you use Cline? Select bring my own API key. Click on continue. Configure your provider. Choose API provider. Select OpenAI compatible. Fill base URL. Go to web browser. Copy the base URL. Paste it here. OpenAI compatible key. Go to browser. Copy API key. Paste it here. Model ID. Copy model ID. Paste it here. Click on continue. Now you can see GLM 5.2 model is configured in VS Code. So now we'll test its works or not. I'm given it task. Create a hello world web page using HTML. Hit enter. See, web page is creating. Now you can see task completed. Minimize VS Code. Minimize web browser. Double click on this PC. Click documents. Double click on client folder. Open index file. Click just once. Hello world web page is open. Go to Featherless site. Click close. I'm going to see how many token is used for just simple web page creating. I think it's not refreshed. Refresh web page. Okay, right now token is not deducted on my account. So viewers, hope you understand that video. How to get free GLM 5.2 API key and configure on VS Code using Cline. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.